Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn the uses of would, could and should. Let's start with could. Could can have multiple uses. For example, it can be used to describe past. Example, when I was 10 years old, I could speak Spanish. When I was 10 years old, I could speak Spanish. That means back in the past, when I was 10 years old, I had the ability to speak in Spanish. Right? Okay. The next use is to talk about possibility. For example, it could rain tomorrow. That means there is a possibility that it can rain tomorrow. Yeah? All right. The third way of using could is to make polite requests. For example, could you please pass me the water bottle? Could you please pass me the water bottle? That means I'm asking you politely to pass me the water bottle. Would also has multiple uses. The first use could be to talk about past. It is a past tense of will. For example, when I was a child, I would go to the park with my friends every day. That means it was my habit in the past. I would go to the park to play with my friends every day. Right? Okay. One more use of would can be to talk about imaginary situations. For example, if I were you, I wouldn't decline the invitation. That means I'm imagining myself at your place. If I were you, I wouldn't decline the invitation. Right? Okay. One more use of would is to be polite while asking questions. For example, would you like some coffee? Would you like some coffee? That means I am being polite and asking you the question if you'd like some coffee. All right. Now let's talk about should. Should can be used to give advice or to ask for advice. For example, you should practice English daily. That means I am advising you to practice English daily. Also, I can use should in a question form. For example, should I go to the party? That means I am asking you if I should go to the party or not. Right? So, should can be used to ask for advice. I hope you understood the uses of would, could, and should. Try to make a few sentences by yourselves and write them in the comment section below. I'll see you again with a new video. Till then, take care and bye bye.